It's such a nice day, isn't it, guys?
Oh, beautiful. Look at it. What is that noise? I don't know, but it's weird. Louder by the second. We should go in the forest and check it out.
Okay. I guess so.
Scared, Hershey.
A little?
Hi.
Okay, I guess I'll go.
It'll be fine, Hershey. Yeah. Oh. Look, there's a torn up soccer ball and some wood. This is crazy.
Oh, this is gonna be scary, guys.
Oh, Hershey, chill out. Whoa. This is so cool. What was that?
Oh, man, guys. Are you sure we can do this?
Hershey, absolutely fine. Ah! This is so cool.
It's kind of scary, guys.
Oh, it's nothing, Hershey. I agree with Jessica. There's nothing is going to happen. Okay, guys? Saige! Yeah? What are you doing? Having fun. This is awesome. I'm like 13 feet off the ground.
Saige, that's kind of dangerous.
You need to chill out, seriously. I guess it isn't as scary as it looks.
Yes, Hershey, you did it! I'm kind of starting to regret it.
Hey, Hershey, isn't it fun?
Well, I guess it is, but I don't know how to get down. Someone help me.
Ah! A giant crow! Hershey, look out!
Oh, man, I knew I should have done this. Oh, no.
Angry dog! Ah! Ah! Ah!
Ow! I think... Hershey!
Oh my gosh, Hershey, are you okay?
Hershey! Gosh, are you okay?
OMG! Hershey, I'm so sorry. Are you okay?
No, I guess. Let's just keep on going.
Okay. Put your shoe on. Okay. Will be continued.